greatest mathematician, mathematical genius of all time, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Please, ma'am.
Of course, the program will be short and sweet. I want to tell only a few words. As Sir said, we know that since the introduction of December 22nd as National Mathematics Day, this particular day is a busy day for Kendriya Vidyalayas. Most of the time, closing day as well as National Mathematics Day will be coming closer. And this is a celebration where we start winter break, holidays perhaps. And we know that, as Sir said, Ramanujan is a Indian mathematician who made his name in the 20th century among the world. And of course, we are seeing the Ramanujan's number depicted here, 1729, which shows his impulsive mathematical genius, where a famous Western mathematician couldn't see the peculiarity, but he understood with a divine insight into the numbers. So, he is an inspiration for all the teachers as well as students all over the world, and I think he should be, his relevance and his works are to be explored even now. So, on behalf of all the teachers, we salute him, and with a great reverence, we will remember him for inspiration, motivation, as well as perseverance. Thank you.
A premature death, actually. That great mathematician could have lived a longer time. More and more contribution to the mathematics world he would have given. Unfortunately, he got tuberculosis and died. But his acquaintance with Hardy and went to England, Cambridge, then the Great Society of Mathematics, member of Great Society of Mathematics. So all these things happened in this short time period, and the contributions that the Srinivasa Ramanujan given to us is great and invaluable. So I pray Almighty God to be all blessings is heavenly abode of our Lord, and all great things happen to our new young generation who are finding new discoveries in the field of mathematics. So I conclude this and go to my letter, the great genius of our time, Srinivasa Ramanujan, the man of infinity. Thank you. Thank you.
Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Good morning. As we all know that 22nd December is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. Today, I am here before you to say a few words on the significance of this day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, an Indian mathematician born to change the future of maths. He was never formally trained in the subject, yet he became one of the greatest mathematicians of all the time. The former Prime Minister of India, Sri Manmohan Singh, announced 22nd December as National Mathematics Day to commemorate the 125th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. The National Mathematics Day is celebrated to commemorate the contributions of Srinivasa Ramanujan in the history of mathematics. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in the year 1887 in Kumbakonam in the state of Tamil Nadu. After completing his studies after a lot of financial difficulties, he got a scholarship in Government Arts College, Kumbakonam. But he was so focused in maths that he could not focus on any other subject. As a result, he failed in all subjects except maths, thus losing his scholarship. Srinivasa never got formal training for his extraordinary capabilities in maths. He was gifted with it. He could quickly solve the most robust mathematical equations within minutes. His contributions are innumerable in the field of maths. He had provided a new dimension to number theory, infinite series, mathematical analysis, etc. Ramanujan was mentored by G.H. Hardy in the early 1910s. After getting his degree at Cambridge, Ramanujan started his own work. He compiled over 3,500 identities and equations in his lifetime. Some of the identities were found in his closed notebook. When the notebook was discovered, the mathematicians proved almost all of Ramanujan's work. Thus, the celebration of National Mathematics Day was started to encourage more youth to pursue their dreams and ambition. Mathematics could be a dread for some, but it is still a subject which is loved by many. Without mathematics, it would be impossible for us to deal with our daily chores. From shopping to paying money to our helpers to running a big business or a tiny one, the basics of mathematics is required everywhere. If one fails to understand that, one will have to suffer for in the future. So I am concluding my words by quoting the famous words of Shakuntala Devi. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Lefiel George of class 11 and I'm here to speak on famous Indian mathematicians. First, I'm going to speak about Aryabhatta. He is famous for putting out concepts like lunar and solar eclipse, rotation of earth on its axis, reflection of light by moon, value of pi correct to 4 decimal places, circumference of earth to 99.8% accuracy. Next, Brahmagupta. His book Brahmasapata Siddhanta is the first text that mentions 0 as a number. He also gave out many algebra and arithmetic related concepts and formulas. Next, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He is known for mathematical analysis, number of theories, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems that were considered to be unsolvable. Next, C.R. Rao. His contribution include estimation theory, statistical inference, linear models, multivariate analysis, computational design, orthogonal arrays, biometry, statistical genetics, generalized matrix inverses, and functional equations. Next, Mahalanobis founded the Indian Statistical Institute and contributed to the design of large-scale sample surveys. Next are Kaprekar. He described several classes of natural numbers, including Kaprekar, Harshad, and self numbers, and discovered Kaprekar constant. Thank you.
The laws of nature are but the mathematical thought of God. Hello, I'm Kartu Kishore of class 10th A of Kendriya Vidyalaya Chenneerkara here before you to speak a few words on the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was the world-renowned Indian mathematician who is also known as the man who knew infinity. This great mathematician was born on December 22 at Erode in Tamil Nadu in 1887. His birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. He was an outstanding mathematician who made numerous contributions in several areas of mathematics, especially in number series and infinite theories. But during the short lifespan, he independently compiled nearly 3,900 results, mostly equations and identities. His talent and efficiency was recognized by H.G. Hardy, who arranged him to be a student at Cambridge University in England. He was the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. A simple incident which revealed the genius of Ramanujan through Ramanujan-Hardy number 1729. It was when Hardy came to meet Srinivasa Ramanuja in camp number 1729. Hardy commented how boring the number was. Ramanujan instantly replied, "No, it is not. In fact, it is a special number. It is the smallest natural number which can be written as the sum of cubes in two ways, that is 1 cube plus 12 cube or 9 cube plus 10 cube, or as the product of three prime numbers, that is 7, 13 and 19. Due to his poor health, he returned to India in 27 February 1919 and passed away on 26 April 1920 at the age of 32. India has produced various scholars in different fields. One such legendary is Srinivasa Ramanujan, who made an astonishing contribution to the field of mathematics. Thus, by celebrating National Mathematics Day on the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan, we are paying a tribute to this legend who would be able to sustain mathematical culture of India. Celebration of such a day is indeed a welcome step and will go a long way in promoting mathematics among the young minds of the country. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very warm good morning to one under present here. Today, I, Adulya Chandran of class 10th B is here to say a few words on the topic the use of mathematics in day-to-day life. Maths is one of the most crucial subject for students. Almost every student studies maths during the academic life. Mathematics is a methodical application of matter. It is so said because the subject makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents confusion. Certain qualities that are nurtured by mathematics are a power of reasoning and creativity, abstract or spatial thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, or a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day to day life. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday life. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal comb. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature's fabric. Anyone can be a mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in their formative period of life. A good curriculum of mathematics is helpful in effective thinking and learning of the subject. So, I conclude my words by saying that experience says learning mathematics can be made easier and enjoyable if